Hi, I'm Shivam, and this is my project for the Google X Kaggle AI Agents Intensive. I built a multi agent financial fraud and operations system that helps banks quickly analyze customer data, check account information, and detect fraud risks, all through natural language. The problem today is that financial analysts manually run SQL queries, switch between dashboards, and review transactions one by one. It's slow and inconsistent. Agents solve this perfectly by dividing work into specialized roles. My system uses three agents: Financial Ops Agent, fetches accounts, balances, customer info, and transactions using structured tool calls. Fraud Risk Agent analyzes merchants, flags suspicious patterns, and gives clear risk explanations. Unified Support Agent, the orchestrator that understands the user query, calls the right sub-agent and returns a clean final answer. These agents use custom tools connected to a Snowflake-style data layer. Everything runs through a Streamlit UI, where users can ask things like find fraud alerts for Indian customers or show total balance by account type. The system responds with tables plus a short explanation generated by the agents. This project demonstrates key concepts from the course: multi agent design, custom tools, A2A routing, context engineering, and a working UI. Overall, the system reduces manual investigation time and provides fast, explainable financial insights. Thanks for watching.